This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your mobile OS and available storage so the app installs smoothly. Next, choose a reputable VPN that uses AES 256 encryption and a clear no-logs policy. This protects privacy and data. Once you decide between a free trial and a paid plan, create an account and save your credentials. Make sure to enable multi-factor if available. These steps set a secure foundation, so the installation and configuration that follow will be fast and dependable. Now install the official app from your store and open it. Grant the necessary network permissions when prompted so the VPN can route traffic. Sign in and, once done, choose a protocol, WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for compatibility, and enable the kill switch or always-on VPN to prevent leaks. Make sure the server selection matches your goals. Nearby for speed, specific country for content access. Take a moment to test connection status and note the service's IP and DNS indicators. To finish, verify that your IP and DNS changed by using a quick check, then open the apps or sites you need to reach. If streaming or downloads feel slow, switch to a closer server or a different protocol to improve latency. Make sure battery saver modes don't restrict background VPN activity. If the VPN won't connect, first toggle permissions and airplane mode, then reinstall the app. If that fails, contact provider support with logs. This troubleshooting path resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.